I recently purchased Fetal Doppler from EquipMedy.com and the entire buying experience was very smooth. Delivery was good, packaging was excellent, and everything arrived perfectly. I had even received this personalized letter from EquipMedy founder with login credentials of my account to see order history, download invoices, and warranty support. What I like about EquipMedy is that it's a healthcare procurement platform built for doctors and hospitals to source medical equipment, surgical instruments, and consumables. Here I could compare multiple Fetal Doppler brands, evaluate features, and compare prices. Before purchasing, I even connected to their biomedical engineering team who gave me completely unbiased advice to choose the right option. And I also got additional warranty support, which gave me extra confidence for post sale services. So, if you're planning to purchase medical equipments, I recommend EquipMedy.